The button. The button.
Oh, cool.
This one. This one here.
Yeah.
See, Kevin, pull that. This one. Watch. Push it. Can you pull that one? Pull that one. Or grab that one. Grab that one. See?
So you can push the big button, honey. The big black button.
This one.
Here, pull. Come over here. Come over here. And
There you go.
touch this one. See this joystick? This is the one. Here, pinch, 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 pinch. That's what you do. Vroom, vroom. Drive it. Drive. The big button.
This one is broken. See, it's
Gentle. No. You use the controls, sweetie. Use the controls.
Kevin, can you do this?
Here, use the
Use this.
controls. Yeah. Hold it like a Xbox. It's like Xbox, Kevin.
Can you pull that? Pull
He
that?
carries around the Xbox joystick, but he doesn't understand
Yeah,
it.
there you go.
There
Other
you go.
way.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, look.
Look at Lucy. Here, drive it in front of Lucy. Here, let Uncle Scott do it. You drive with Uncle Scott. Here, you hold.
Pull that.
Woo! There you go.
Pull that. No, asshole.
Say thank you, Uncle Scott. Say thank you much. Say thank you much.
Should we wipe that down too?
Yeah.
Let me see that for a second. Come on, kid. You don't know what's going
What do you think? Here, you two little. Yeah. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Press the big. Press this.
You're doing, look at that.
Oh, that's
Yeah. Very good, Kevin.
All right. There you
Go. No, you make it go with this, sweetie. Here, you make it go with this. Push the button. See? And you go backwards and forwards. Back, forward. Press the button. Yeah, very cool.